integer x equals to 2. System.out.println x square is x times x. Two times x is 2 times x. So let's run this for you to see how you can perform calculations right in the output statement. Okay, now let me add one more statement here. I'll teach you guys a shortcut. Some of you already know this shortcut. If I type the word sys out, and then if I hit Control spacebar, press and hold Control key, and then hit spacebar, it converts it to system.out.println. So I'll write in the comment, sysout followed by Control space. Okay. Value, of x, and then you display x. Just like that. Okay. Now let me copy these 3 lines and paste it. And let's change the value of x to 5. And let's run it. So my first output is x is 2. And my second output is x is 5. So based on the value of x, the rest of the outputs will differ.